Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we will show you how to determine the offset for the use of our PX1000 and GDX1000. The PX1000 is the new standard in cold glue application, and it's the most powerful cold glue valve that's available. With its great power, the PX1000 ensures the operator greater flexibility in the choice of adhesives and ensures perfect bonds from the first product. With a completely new developed GDX1000 adhesive sensor based on thousands of installations, Baumer HHS gives its customers the right quality assurance tool for future requirements. First, press on the valve symbol. Now the input screen opens. Now determine the offset of the PX1000 to the start sensor. And next, measure the distance between the nozzle sensor and the light spot and enter the determined value in the corresponding input field. In the next step, determine the offset from the GDX1000 to the start sensor. Measure the distance between the measuring range and the light spot. Now, select the start sensor for the GDX1000 and enter the determined value. Now save your settings. You've now successfully determined the offset. Finally, perform a learning drive. Thank you for watching our tutorial. You can find more of this on our GlueTube channel and everything you need to know on our website. Let's stick together and goodbye.